All right, the first currency pair we're going to talk about is the dollar yen. So I think this is a very, very important pair, and also it could be a star trade in 2019 second quarter, because now we see the global capital market, especially the stocks market, is experiencing some selling off. And one of the key reasons that the Federal Reserve's opinion on the global economy probably will continue to support this view. So what happened in the Federal Reserve in the last meeting, in the March meeting, mentioned that it's probably not going to raise the interest rate again in 2019. So that means the current rate hike cycle probably already reached a neutral rate, which is 2.5. The Federal Reserve, if nothing too much surprise, probably will stop raising the interest rate at this time. So what does that mean to the dollar yen? So if the Federal Reserve stop raising the interest rate, which means they have some concern on the global economy, and if this is the case, most likely we will see the global economy might continue to slow down. And if the global economy continues to slow down, some traders might look at some opportunities to buy in the safe haven assets like U.S. Treasuries, dollar, Japanese yen. These are all considered as a safe haven assets. And the second reason we see the dollar as the U.S. Treasuries, as you just experienced the U curve invert in late March. So a U curve invert in March just means that the long end U is lower than the short end view. So if that is the case, it means lots of bond traders actually are putting their bet in this market that the global recession is not so far from us. So usually, if the U curve invert consistently, let's say for 2 weeks, then historical in the past three decades give us the indications that the recession might come in 18 to 24 months. And the other is, we think, is because of the self-fulfilling prophecies. If more people see the U curve to invert, and they believe that the recession will come, and they are keep investing in the safe haven assets, that probably will also make the recession to happen just because of the people's mindset. So all in all, we think for the current backdrop, the dollar yen might have a chance to reach 105 in second quarter.